Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data visualization with Qlik, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching Qlik Sense on your computer. Create a new app by selecting the Create New App option. Name your app and click Create. Open your newly created app from the app overview. Import your data by clicking on the Add Data button. Choose the data source you want to import, such as an Excel file or a database. Follow the prompts to connect to your data source and select the relevant data. Once the data is loaded, go to the Data Model Viewer to check your data relationships. Ensure your data tables are linked correctly for effective visualization. Return to the app overview and click on Edit to enter the sheet creation mode. Drag and drop your preferred visualization type from the right sidebar into the sheet. Use the field selector to choose the dimensions and measures for your visualization. Customize your chart's appearance using the Properties panel on the right side. To automate updates, navigate to the Data Load Editor. Here, you can set up a script that regularly refreshes your data. Use the Scheduler feature to set the frequency of the data refresh. After configuring the schedule, save and close the Data Load Editor. Return to your sheet to set up any necessary filters or interactions. Preview your sheet by switching to the View mode. Interact with your visualizations to ensure they reflect the updated data. Adjust any settings as necessary for clarity and effectiveness. Regularly check the status of your data reloads in the Operations Monitor. Share your app with your team for collaborative insights and analysis. Continue to iterate on your visualizations based on feedback and new data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.